What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we have Tonian and Annie kick off, my people, and the lion man also Annie in a hot water. You see me? You know how him love pick side against Annie and say Annie a friend. So Annie line up him and Tonian and done the whole of them. Ivany get involved because Ivany want to know what really go on. You see me? I say look like say Tony and throw some shade at Annie when she did a married and something, cause you know Annie and TikTok police said they want to get married and whatever. You see me? We not spend too long on the intro, my people. We just go on a small little preview. You see me? We also have Naima figure it out. You understand what I say? And the lion man slime them at Nisha candlelight because him did say him now going on with people. But him end up show up, you know what I mean? And that is a good look. Even Jabba's get involved with people because I don't know Jabba's always have Annie back. You know what I mean? So I don't know if everything me share we don't know in the intro. But as we usually say, we don't know here in the intro and I go see in the video. So we could get unite with people and also maybe add more things as we go on. So we could get unite and kick it off, you know.
Alright, mother for Mona is on a morning moon. Mona is on a morning moon. You want to come? Hello guys, if you don't see Annie in a real life, anybody coming like blood clot, jelly to a ground on the grass and dead stick up on it. Cranny your fuck! And she want to come step with me. Me the dolly down. Tonian, I can check my lace at 360 lace this pa my head. I never see Annie put on a 360 lace yet and I like Annie have ear pan her head. Annie pussy bushy more and blood clot here comb. Hello Annie. No make me have no you know. Annie, oh if you have more here for your blood clot pussy than for your head. Annie I mean come out. Hello. Me not sure if Annie have click a blood clot. Annie have seed and blood clot tail. You keep long no blood clot. I'm at come through. A blood clot mat wipe your foot here carry and falling. Move! Annie stink! Hey girl! I've shot blood clot TikTok boss fuck you no dirty girl. You want some life boring? You think me a grown and capture blood clot? All you some online dirty girl and shot TikTok fuck you no go. Your blood clot breed for girl with your tube foot I have 6 feet near one have more them girl you call big old blood clot girl. Them a girl a whole big no blood clot. Pitney not time man again. I'm gonna tell her this a good one of blood clot with a nice clean body and a little attitude but my man fall in love with me. You don't have nothing about you, so clock that Miss Annie. You don't have nothing about you. No good nothing about you. Miss Annie, you don't look good. You cook but nobody won't eat from you cause your mouth, Annie. Your mouth is the sickness that farm against your body and the whole people that love you. Cause your mouth is so stink. Your mouth is so crawny. Miss Annie, you need to see the dentist. Miss Annie, you are a breeding baby mother have a lot of kids. You need to take care of your mouth. You need to visit the dentist every 3 months. Miss Annie, you need to go and clean those corners of your teeth. Miss Annie, you want blood clot come from want me teach you something about yourself? You want me teach you something about yourself? You not like beard. You not like beard. When me look on you, you can never look fixed. You can never look beard. I want to melt them the lace just melt by your forehead. You still look like say your head no do. And you always look nasty. And you just beard that you still look sick. And you're the only woman me see in a white that your face not clear. If video blur. And I mean want blood clot come for big old nasty big back stinking layer with crocodile belly girl. Eh? Look a reptile factory stinking knobbeard Annie. I mean you come for. Hey girl, I bet you not come back for me another blood clot time, me and my man. Alright, Annie? Annie, you can't wear white jaws. You can't wear white jaws. Yeah, try skin out your pussy on the 2 toes and hardy. A color jaws that are so we know your pussy dirty. Well, you can't wear white jaws, Annie. I mean, you come for Annie, And he when take can wear white jars and blood clot, no 5 different brand toothpaste, you can chat to me stinking girl. Cause me no walk with rotten teeth. I'm gonna walk with stinking mouth. I'm gonna walk with corner teeth. I'm gonna walk with last teeth, every blood clot teeth in my mouth. And you see a man, me no blood clot run rape. I'm gonna rape nobody pick me. I'm a man born 2004, but for your blood clot hardy, I can't see him blood clot size as your old like you are 40. Don't come for blood clot, me and my man. Yeah, me I tell you, and stop run competition. Stop run competition because our rose are done you to blood clot. Our rose are done you. Our rose are done you. When me say rose done you, rose angle you clean and take you off a blood clot. Map you want come say you breed. Breed for who? Man will fuck you in a shop, dirty girl, I me a breed for a girl. And you think say one day ranking can blood clot do my wedding? You think say one day ranking can blood clot do my wedding when we have? Dirty girl is so much money I spend at home with the palm of the and I enjoy myself. Don't fuck up here, Annie. Annie, don't fuck up here, me I tell you. Annie, don't ramp with me coming up blood clot like you a long time. But I know me get because you hear me I tell you, Annie. I bet you she not come for me again. I bet you Annie don't laugh with me. I even look for me blood clot name when she see Tonian or something on TikTok, you hear? And it stink like a blood clot shit type in a bag and dance for blood clot down by the cool cage. Baby, put on the piece to me. Antoinette! Come put on the piece to me, please, because I need a blood clot no wash around put you know. And it look like that in a blood clot can stick makeup already if you go down in a blood clot wall and water, you know. And if you have a blood clot witchcraft and turn back blood clot blow, you know. And you know when blood clot come out, and it stink on me blood clot piss then when me not drink water, you know. And the mud coming like a pad tie up in a bag for days, and it coming like blood clot, burn up corner syphilis to blood clot. Alright. And it stink no ras, you know. And you know when you come for, come on and put on the piece in me. See the piece here. And it never blood clot come for me again. And it never come for me again because of the last year and I got think about me and my man name. You notice what my name? Mr. Fox and Mrs. Fox. Don't run put me here. Me I tell you, Annie. Me not like you, Annie. Me I tell Annie something. When me know Annie no good. It pays. Louis pass the pays I said give me. See there, not the part right here so. Let me tell you how me know Annie no good. Annie, you come on TikTok cause your wicked family them. Yes, your wicked family them. And then after your wicked family them with your personally family them. Don't think yeah, let's see me come on TikTok, me I'm a nice clean man though. And if me I'm a man cause you see me I'm a man like you change man like how JPS cut off my blood clot like come no like pay bill dirty girl. I saw any change man, cause my JPS cut off my like regular come.
But this is not wife behavior, my people. You see me, this is not wife behavior. You can't just marry yesterday and today you cuss and I go on the most way. You're supposed to lock down with your man and I go on and try to make a baby. You see me, I say, and that's the thing for the right now. It's not supposed to be on media cuss nobody. No matter what nobody say about you, today supposed to be one of the happiest days of your life after you married yesterday. Today supposed to be honeymoon. You see me, I say, be just nice and fun and all them something. When people tell me all the thing. Because Ivany I go join the chat, you know what I mean? And we are going to hear what Ivany have to say. And you know what I mean? The other rest of people, because even Jabbas are going to link her and something. So, we can watch some more.
I don't like pay bill. And I saw Annie change blood clot, man. Meka tell you. Now, Annie, me want to tell you one next thing by yourself. Let me get my peas, me have to cook. The next thing about that dirty girl you know. Me guarantee you. Annie line black up with antibiotics because you ain't change man and if he nah blood clot clean out himself then TikTok boss be dying because what girl was supposed to sound like you. I want heap of things me have to tell you, you hear? But you know, don't you so call me have to cook me blood clot food, honey, but take me off of your page now. I say, honey, if you not take me off of your page, you're not gonna like me, no, honey. And you see, if you not take, you see all Meka blood clot teeth and mouth black and cranny like a fear when I'm in a pity or beg a blood clot friend, but honey, you fuck with the chuck and the chuck tumble on by you, know. Hey, girl, take me off your page, you know. Take me off your blood clot page, you know. I wonder if you know so you have to take me off of your page. Dirty girl, I'm tell you something about you and your family. Meka will come like rubber band after a while it's stretch out. For me, one not done in a calm and blood clot deadly dirty girl. Take me off of your page, you know. Take me off of your page, you know. I wonder if you know so me not like you none at all. You look like you suck on the whole of them fuck for you, you know, honey. And you look like you're in a blood clot go-go club in your family, you know. I'm not want to tell you how your blood clot run, and I'll let you take me off your page, you know, dirty girl. You think I room for rent, come and stop here like rent when I come out? Take me off! I hear me, I tell you, because dirty Annie, you know, who share ramp with, you know. Annie, me know why you make me get banana up, so me I go leave you, you know, but take me, guys, you know, tell her to take me off her page, because me not like Annie long time, you know, you see like how me never like you long time, I'm get scam blood clot cuss, you know. Me I go cuss you, because Annie can never wear a white nails and beat me with Annie and them with and look. Annie, you can never wear a white nails and beat me. The way Annie and them with up for stress, say Annie and old blood clot rev up machine for go sit down and take care and grand pitney them, you know. You want up like blood clot 7th grade. Blood clot, when you call door dash, move your blood clot, you come like astray. Annie and 7th grade come like astray. And the one that name door dash come like blood clot butt. When you come like butter astray, don't fuck up. Cause me not done cuss, you know. I be a things in my head. Me not done cuss yet. And when me a cuss girl about them real shit. Me not make up shit, dirty girl. One fuck. And me know say, I am money I want. Them a girl yeah. Annie pick me and Annie them have to make 10 different fuck with 10 man before they know say they want you the man them. And then them have to pick out a 3 man until it rally down to 2. Then they get a jacket, it rally down to 1. Annie don't fuck with me here, Annie. Annie, I wonder if you know say me call blood clot crime and calamity allegation when me mouth open, Ali. Listen, Annie. Listen, pass some juice. Pass some juice, give me please. Give me some juice. Annie! Annie, you see when you see me, Annie? Don't ramp with me next time. You hear me? I tell you, Annie? Because me not nice. Annie, me look nice, but me not nice. Annie, me sound nice, but me not nice. Annie, me dress nice, but me not nice. Annie, me relationship look nice, but we not nice. Cause me we angry and angry again. You hear me? I tell you, dirty girl, all the matter in my yard. Annie, just go suck out your blood clot dead father them, man. You so much father you have. You think your mama know who your daddy is? You think your mama know who your blood clot father is? The same girl and fuck like you too. I get move from you so the popcorn rake. Your mouth stink like how your metal and stink off your old fake jewelry them. I don't know how she put that in her mouth. Cause I don't know say the old iron them when a real stink. And you're nasty like how your mouth stink. Massa?
Chat, tell me what go on. Some say Annie first post Tonian. Some say Tonian. Look a comment.
Annie first ramp with me, I know. I'm not stop cause the local low life warrior girl.
Alright, Tonian.
One time, Mr. Annie, you need school. The whole of your family needs school. Instead you answer a question, you give some other statement first to ask you the multiple question. Annie can answer one question without give a statement instead of answer a question. Annie, you don't see him? Annie, you done bad. I me done say no Annie, but me not so done.
Tonian.
Yeah?
Let me ask you one question for try find out what go on. You say Annie post on her page first and chubby. So what caused Annie to post that on her page and did that cause? What caused Annie to do that?
You know what caused her to do that? Because Mona know me just come this morning, you see? I'm there so sit down and get ready for cook. My piece up on the fire. By the time I look, my local sister come around and she say, I'm a post and I said this and I said that. And me I say, Miss, I didn't know me no blood clot like her the fishy dear child me I know. And I saw me go up on the phone and Miss that time me watch me don't chat me phone dead. Me say me have to plug on my phone and make a video for Annie and turn on me live because you know me nice on the morning, yeah, Annie coulda never try me. Me drink some more juice. Miss Annie a all blood clot tired mattress when you lay down in her gun and Annie will let us drop down, you know. Annie no make me a yard nothing, you know. No,
So you know like Annie for a long time, Tonian.
Annie, let me tell you something about your blood clot family, you hear? Alright.
So Tonian, you know, what make you not like Annie from long time? What she do?
Man, me not like Annie, you know. Me not like the ugly girl long time because you see, she not like me too.
How you know that?
Me just know she not like me. Me not tell no lie.
Just so?
Yeah, me can feel people energy. So like how me know you like me. When you check for me one time, you can check for me and me need you check for me. Me know say you like me, but me just know say that the girl you not like me. I mean even want her if you like me. So me
No,
just
Tonian, me think you get it wrong, man. Annie
me
not
not
do
get
that,
it wrong.
man.
Me not get it wrong. See me see her here when she a fake laugh with the see her here.
No, so Annie stay, so she
No,
stay.
man, I said Miss Annie stay, man. You have to know Miss Annie too. Miss Annie, I want little flying broom witch. Miss Annie, I want flying broom witch. Annie trouble my first time she know I'm godless long time.
No, man, me not be Annie a good man. Annie not do that. I feel like a misunderstanding, Tonian. A misunderstanding between two of them.
Mister, if me live it end the life, you must know that Annie Piri then come for me, you know, no make a sad mistake, you know, because me I got angle no blood clot tired all of the pan me forehead, me a match it phone in a dirty girl. Hey girl, me a match it on no pussy pan me forehead phone if you never fuck on yourself with me,
Guys,
you know.
how it start?
No, me suppose no eyes and no over me, I say girl, I bet the son no go regret it. I bet the son no go regret it because me no know which man no take.
Guys, call Annie.
But me know so no swallow the man. Wanna swallow the
Chat, call Annie. Tell Annie to come. I feel like a misunderstanding. How sound so? I feel like I want like a misunderstanding. Yeah, Annie need to talk about this. Oh God, man, you just get married. You suppose.
So my people, let me know what you think in the comment section because boy, me not like Tony and I go hard. And today supposed to be our honeymoon. Them shouldn't even die like a regular place. Them should have done one little hotel. You know what I mean? Where them can get them room service and something. I know say them are a millionaire and them not rich still, but you know what I mean? At least look a peace and quiet, man. Why in the morning and a honeymoon? Boy, me I tell you to right, Jano, after the best day of your life, yesterday, people make me know what to think of what someone.
Store, you know, cook a nice breakfast. Yeah, your man probably got the
pizza
beach.
cook, man. Me pizza cook, food I cook.
Yeah,
Just not like Annie.
and go on the beach.
Me just not like Annie, that's all. And she post me need her to take me down. Me not lie. Tell the truth.
So Annie, when you said that, Tonian, when after she posted, you said to her, said, do this and beat me. When you comment that, I mean, no, see the comments. I said you said to Annie said do this and beat me. See what they said? They said Vani a page post her video and caption it shady like a Tony says something about Annie, so Annie post back. You see that me I tell you, Tonian, Annie see one video, one vlogger or work at different page, post something
That's
about.
So me not like the dirty girl because me know see a long time she not like me. So when she answer me, I know me have to rush answer because she not blood clot nice, I know. She not nice, I know, because she not like me long time and me want know. So when she see somebody caption something and she not hear me say something on my life, and one time I come on the big worthless careless nasty not like be a woman live. And you know what, you don't come on my life, call listen. If I said something bad about you, you just go answer me back. That's how me I tell her Miss Ivany a long time she not like me. Turn me head we and stretch me. The girl not like me long time. She not like me long time. She not like me long time. Me tell you. I mean
No.
she not like me, I know.
Tonian,
Just
but-
because me know she not like me, you watch what she a go get. She a go regret it. Because
Tonian, but you know, say-
no match up.
Tonian, you know, so some people do, they not have to go live and cuss it, then can just make posts. So probably Annie never wait for you for go live. She see one post and probably think of you and she post it on her page and then you go see the video for your page.
She want her all for always in the bangaranga. Like her all no blood clot retire. Miss Annie I got 2 menopause and even know. She all retire and tired but she can't rest.
Tony, I feel like I like Annie first.
Miss Ivany, don't set me up like that because me like
no,
you.
come here, try.
Don't worry if me don't like Miss Annie. Now you ask me if me like you. This moment, no, when you tell me that moment, kind of feel like me like you again, no.
Come here, try work.
You know me not like Annie.
You know.
Me not like her for you. Me not like her.
Me I try work it out with you, no man.
Now work out, no piece. See that look Lola's scavenger and rat no tie up shit in a bag mouth, girl. She no ramp with me next time.
Like
I not like her.
Like too short. You know, see everybody are there.
Like her. Yeah. I'm not like her. I'm gonna tell her take down my picture me and my man. You know, say them girl let her cursing and me like.
Not tell her like Tonian, you look so nice yesterday.
Me not tell her so me look nice and that I stress the girl because me
You look so nice yesterday.
and calling your weather the girl them stress so she has try come in with something. What she a talk about? She better be for her page, you know. I bet she not like me. Miss Ivany, me a go
later, take care of yourself, mama.
Thank you, me baby.
Later,
yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Guys, call Annie. My God. Is a new fight this up on the internet? Call Annie. Guys, tell me how it go. 2 people can't just start just cuss for nothing, so how it go? Tonian and Svck. I like Annie, but nothing did her. And she said, Annie do this and beat me. So when she said that, she get married yesterday and she just make a video and say, Annie do this and beat me. And then Annie see the video and then that's how Annie make one video put on fear page. King did up on Tonian live and I shade Annie. Tonian, I feel so too. Call Annie chat. Annie there. Me like Annie, you know. I like Tony. I like Annie, man. Annie, I'm a little friend. Annie just not trouble her, so oh God. I think Annie just see her and trouble her. I think Annie just see her and trouble her just so. I don't think so. I think Annie just trouble her with that blue, so oh God. We know Annie have been looking ways them for cuss. Alright,
my people. I want to tell more to think in the comment section. We are going to go over Annie now and hear what Annie have to say about the whole situation, hear for her side of the story. You see what I say? So, we could just go over Annie.
but I think Annie just see her and just trouble her, so.
youth.
The last man a cocky. Come and me play 2-1.
Hold on again. Oh, with all the way she a blood clot though. All the way she a do ask her where her blood clot pitney there. She come out yesterday talk about every blood clot body. She a mother. She a blood clot mother. And alien take care of them pitney better than blood clot she. And that me I tell you, at least your mother out here where I try. You see that the bitch they try anything? We don't make on some taps chats. Make on some taps guys. Fish mode suck pussy blood clot. Girl suck pussy like a dog. Smell like round a market back. Girl must smell like round a back road to blood clot where the girl them piss. Y'all come here so come chat up your blood clot mouth. All gonorrhea your tongue. Thinking blood clot girl. When the man them do they refuse. Or girl will fuck man in a pampas. Shitty pussy blood clot shit. I be a maggot come out of your big thinking blood clot hole. Go suck your mother. You want to come take a blood clot set for me. Where I want to know. I the blood clot done. I not make nobody take no blood clot step for me. She ain't nobody. Big thinking rubbish blood clot old girl. Me carry my rotten teeth with pride. Me carry my rotten teeth with pride. Enough people have blood clot cavity in their mouth. And their mouth smell good. Thinking suck pussy girl. Thinking blood clot girl suck pussy like a dog. Your body can't look good. Your body suck out, dry out and done out. And that me I tell you. Remember me tell you, God said we are to there with man. God said we are to multiply, divide, calculate and close it. Thinking girl, you suck pussy for your living. Your body dry out and done out. And that me I tell you, your mouth rank no blood clot. Your mouth stink like a pampas. Backward mouth girl. All your child looking like a lady can't am for you. Watch me with my rotten teeth. Look how I'm stylish. And look how my blood clot nice. How are you there? You try everything to come out from my family. You tell people to drag down my family. You tell people to stop gifts me on social media thinking girl. You say you go cancel me like your own social media. Frog blood clot back girl. Thinking blood clot big toilet share. You come like a rubbish sheep from Kingston. Kingston blood clot rubbish sheep. I'm still blood clot there and turn up on your girl. Where you will go? Where you going? You coming on my blood clot chat. Me have a chat in your girl guys. Me have a TikTok group. A WhatsApp group, you know. And me I tell you say that big old cardboard old girl there, you know. I saw she move from super on social media, you know. Let me tell you the chat what she do. She and Odi and her cousin. Debo and Odi and her cousin. You never know. So when the people them go up on me yard, I continue to tell you say that big blood clot slut dog there. I wanna not hear. Wanna not hear until that thinking drunk we are pretend we don't know. You see how she come out here pretend we don't know. Look in her eye. She a demon. A demon that you not look on. That's all she do it. She try to set you up and come out just with Alfred false type of use. Hey girl, I want you nyam one of my body jar them. I want you one of my body jar them for your nyam, cause you're hungry. You stink like a blood clot dog. Share you no body. If me blood clot take money and do body. If me take money and go do body and do breast. Hey girl, I'm not depend nobody name. Watch good girl Annie. I talk about myself and I talk about my family, bitch. You ever see me a follow back of you yet? Me's a leader, I'm not a follower. Imagine if me get my good education. I'm so done. I'm still a angle my blood.
Alright, so my people, I get to cussing, you know. We soon hear about the Tonian story, you know what I mean? Make Annie done with Shay, and then she tell about the Tonian thing, you know what I mean? So the lion man get it earlier on. Why the lion man always a try to style Annie in a way, and him kind of put on Annie still, to make Annie and her family thing shot right now, you know. You know what I mean? But controversy still, you know what I mean? Sometimes them not really at it for real in a real life, you know what I mean? But let me know what I think, my people. We'll go watch some more.
Clad self, and no matter who you try to tear me down, I stand up in the Gideon, hey girl, I want you. I come like a gingy fly. I come like a ticks in your blood clad skin. My powerful no blood clad. Father God a fight for me. No for uno Father God for sake uno. No for uno Father God no member uno. I want you. My Father love me. My Creator love me. My Creator fight for me. Father God a fight for you. MC you. Let me know now. Blood clot out of order. Yeah. What are we on have to come take down the done said bat? What are we?
God almighty.
What are blood clot we on have to take down the done said bat? Jabbas, me I tell you this from now. Me don't want blood clot so pussy Jayden call my blood clot name in that home.
Yeah, man.
Me don't want lymphatic blood clot Jayden call me name in that
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Jayden, man. I him telling the girl about cuss you. I him fire you.
I him do it. I him continue a blood clot do it.
Because me over there while I got you, me couldn't get it because me have one settings so me have to end my life with audio. Because me tell her, I say, man, do not done to her face. He must say, me pick a side. I say, no, I'm done. Because me not like it. Because if she a cuss you, you are a human being, you're going to cuss her back. Me understand that. You understand? Because your feelings and the blood run through you, bro. You see me? So me I tell her, I said, don't, you must say, me live on your side, what's so. If I must say, for a man, I come and don't tell her, I say, I didn't. You have to answer.
Because you're not on your side. You're crying peace.
But now, I say, no, yes, man. I am going to tell you, woman, because you want to make woman feel like it's okay.
Jabbas, if you had Tonian now, I swear to God, I would talk to Tonian decently. I would
but
tell
that,
this
tell us that,
Tonian,
tell us that me the one, add, I make we come to a conclusion and done it, bro. Come here, bro.
Well, I know Jabbas, you know how my baby do. A Tonian day yesterday, right? So Tonian supposed to get up today on a full try our marriage and our look. We call it something the honeymoon.
Yes.
Our first experience. Oh, Tonian day you saw us on a one so.
Now Jay tell him because your man. Remember one big content creator going on chat go say cuss him.
That's the reason why me come off a Tonian and me now cuss Tonian. Me a cuss blood clot so good Jayden. Jayden so good like a breeze.
Yeah, man,
Big boy Jayden and him be a blood clot cuss. Jayden was what say is a blood clot faggot and a pretend like say him no love man. And Jayden me a blood clot chat.
And him go and tell the girl about cuss. But him and me not accept him. Fuck off.
Fucking disgusting. Eh?
And you go and go tell the blood clot woman because the woman. I mean she start because she never did that go answer. Somebody text me and tell me say when you say cuss the woman just start lash up and then
but another Jabbas, Jayden, come over here and tell me. Well, I know. Did you know said Jayden, right? Come over here so and I tell me say me fi cuss Tonian, you know. And Jayden go over Tonian, you know. And I cuss clot me and I tell Jayden Tonian fi cuss me, you know. That was for me. Well.
Me? Why me a smile? Why make me a smile? No me comment section. Nobody stop with me, Meka. Oh, cause when time we depend on this side, we don't depend on you. So you nobody stop with me.
Listen, our request. No, but that's a simple question. That's a simple question. Jabbas, when I have a look here, smile. Look at me, when you have a smile, they buy your face, you have to take off and put off you.
No, but listen up. And I'm not wrong, I know hypocrite business. Because me don't tell us if it done. As somebody in the comment section, I say something about Jayden and I laugh about it. Me not add him over here because him go tell the woman say he call blood clot, cuss the woman. You tell them say done like I'm not tell it what if it done. Me tell them if it done. No cussing off your one, there's a little misunderstanding where they not have your cuss.
It's not have going from morning where I said that. nobody. No cussing the half
If Tonian says she have to lock off her thing, bro. If Tonian come here with the disrespect and the cussing them, bro, it not go work, bro. Me adore, it not go walk. And if my cousin, you have to answer.
We not have to answer. Tonian?
Yeah.
I don't have to answer, Tonian. I promise you that.
Tell Tonian to take the time and come here, so.
Tell Tonian to come over here, so please. May I beg you now? And
He gone. Jayden jump down over there with it, man. Jayden jump down over there with it. We are born every blood clot going on.
Blood clot. Come here, so when you want this and I pay them a problem.
Fly lifestyle, big up. Jayden jump gone over there because him like him a do it.
Yeah, man, I'm a pushing.
I told you that Jayden jump down for the bro. Tell Tony to jump from Jayden and come. Jayden had him first 3 years so I had him in jump.
Because him a booster. Jayden a booster for us.
A piece, me I say. Somebody black me standing there for me now. Somebody black me standing there for me now.
Hold on, Vani. Somebody can take up Vani for me now, please.
Yeah, man, she cuss Jayden. She cuss Jayden, man. If you cuss him, man. Them me not easy. Then the black you, but I'm thinking my chat too much, brother.
Then you get to work from here, so man. Too much.
Yeah, man, I am, man. Bro, I bet say Jayden go over there first and say, yo, done. He will read this out. Somebody text me, man. I tell me, say, all right, then. After Jayden say, cuss me, she girl just start cuss me through. She a call you. Then till I become the bro, I come over there with Jayden, bad man.
Jabaz, go link with her and get me in. Me I wait for you.
Alright.
We're in a blood clot jump, so we are.
Now what turn up in a honey head side if you have a Chris junk on and I find a dead meat for me and Kyle a man them a run.
Look here now. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me come with peacemaker. More than 2
No
hours.
peace in our Jabaz. If you have to tell me you don't like honey cause I angle me honey so you just follow me with honey and cuss her. And if
No.
you have a junk you know.
No, listen
If
to
you beat too much honey head side and if you have a Chris blood clot chips in the sun.
Tonian, look here now. Listen. Me didn't want, I don't know how me can just done it. That me didn't want to, you know.
Done what? Like how honey well done?
Unnecessary.
You think honey can't done me in a big hole?
This is
You think honey can't come blood clot done me in a big hole? Done what?
This is unnecessary fuel. This is
What do you mean
unnecessary
unnecessary fuse? This girl have no manners. Miss Annie is not a lady anymore. No, she's a girl. You know why?
Come on. It's one or two beautiful lady, you know. It's one or two beautiful lady. It's one or two beautiful lady. It's one or two beautiful lady,
And if
bro.
you have a drunk or you're not from sideway, me favor statue down a town. At least me they good for something.
Alright, so what's that all of this, Tonian?
The dirty blood clot shit in
No,
her
this is not-
tire post
No.
up on her plate Jabaz and I can't talk about me and my man where the boring and me walk foot wedding and a piece of all 20-year-old audio where you sell him audio. He come and talk about me and my man and walk foot. The old girl come ramp with me and me not like her, you know. He girl only a 20-year-old in a Jabaz and me and my man are 25, you know. And the dirty shit up, tie up in a blood clot bag mud, girl. The dear post me on her page, Angular Jabaz coming a like her, and a long time. Yeah, your friend on TikTok for you know say me never like her, so you can tell her your mind now.
Alright, people. So, want to tell me what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? We are run through the rest of this quick and fast. Is it?
She done bright. She just move like some you and the same. And you end and rooster, some man jump on him and jump off and crew. TikTok bus crew, number crew.
Tonian.
Yeah, the whole handicap man.
Tonian.
Come put on tattoo
Tonian.
Indian crew. The man them when just come on TikTok with crew. He want a blood clot man and he change and we guarantee the animal tired.
Tonian.
Yeah?
So on done then.
No one any palm must scream.
Me want put her here, but me can't take you only for this.
No one any palm must scream.
Alright.
Hey! Me don't know what I look right in my teeth, girl. I say, this for you
Tonian,
and
man.
for your face.
Chat, listen what I go on now, chat. Here what I go on now, chat. See?
Jabba's afraid of me, you know. Jabba's
listen
so
up.
hard, Annie, you know.
listen, no.
Annie a
Listen up.
Subaruki, you know. You said Annie a Subaruki, you know. Let me tell you something, Annie no know, you know. It's a Subaruki. If you go get and drive and come out of the Audi there, you know.
Listen up.
Pull up in a Audi, yeah.
Listen up. Meka, turn on your live, boys. When you turn on your live, when you click on the live, click the settings button and turn on.
Oh, it's never clear about the blood clot. Come here, so come in. Ready for your bumper while you're
Listen up. What are the Tonian?
You hear me? Seven prayer, you hear me? No blood clot. Come here, come in. Ready for you, you know. Me not ready for you yet, you know. I drop me and make you know, cause me we hungry until your blood clot count is strong. I hear the on your head top. I'm gonna tell you when you count it. If you dry like a quart, not bunko car. If not, you know,
Tonian, how
you
many-
make you know what size draws you're wearing now.
Tonian,
Now make you know what size blood clot draws you're
Alright,
wearing
then now
now.
we'll get at
You
it.
hear me? I tell you.
Then now we'll get
Don't
at it.
start with me yet. Come in and let you either. Yeah, you
Hold on,
blood
no.
clot. Woman can't go check
Tonian,
out
hold on,
your
Tonian.
bumper clot, suit water, and stuff like
Tonian.
that. Now when the blood clot was upon the bumper clot page and tell me blood clot, but my marriage boring, I hear your blood clot county. Earhole.
right.
Yeah, the ramp with me. Alright. Jabba's, what you say now?
Listen to me, I say no. Annie live don't have it, so me gonna make Meka turn on her live and give me
And
Annie
life could have it because our TikTok no all no good, but because
Yo, what
TikTok
one?
go feel me all good and me a
Outside.
wife and TikTok put audience control plan for me life. Annie what Chrissy?
Me and you get up. Alright, listen, Meka, you see when time you turn on the live, click on audience control and make
Me
sure
not call that blood clot dirty girl Meka. Seven career door that shit name. Me not
What
like
Meka
her
do?
no when it touch she sit.
Meka do.
One side
What
up,
Meka
you know.
do? What
She
Meka
my
do?
mother do me something. My mother push her out. So you tell me say she do me something. Now mother post me on her page. No rascal to her mother. Hey yo girl, know what you do when you do what you do. When you come good I hear. Alright, come me not like you, your mother again or no. Alright.
Chat, I want the two of them for just done and just live good.
No,
You know?
what you do. When you do what you do.
And that
I mean,
one
I
thing
like
just-
you, I mean, I know you, but I mean, I like you. I mean, I like your mother, I mean, I know her, but I just not like her.
But suck out the mama Jayden. You come like a them big body man, but nyam out the mama Jayden. Man, I play up in your bottom and girl push the up in your body and brush. But nyam out the mama Jayden.
I'm upon the latest blood clot funeral grave where I'm going on. That's run a room upon that in a girl, and he don't play with me,
I
you
see
know.
him say, boy,
You
Jayden.
know who you deal with? And if I tell you something about me, my name Tonian, but me not really Tonian. My name Jayden, that's how me head tough like a boarded. So no rump with me, you hear?
I see him say, boy, Jayden over there can't call up in here. I tell you, stop, push fire and stop it. Over there talk about, I tell you, I say, this year, I say, no, done.
And he can't diss me. And he
I
can't
feel
diss
small,
me.
bro.
The one and the fuck them are. Me not commit suicidal because me not take afterbirds. Them girls
Oh, yeah.
have transmission. How you call them?
Tony,
The
listen
one
up.
fuck out, that's why no man nasty. How that look?
Jaja, boy, my people. Tony and I ease up. Me don't know why Annie got trouble her. You see me, I say, and here they want to say, she first throw the shot at Annie. You know what I mean? So why she a go so hard on a she first? Eh? Explain that to me, my people. Because she first this Annie. But maybe it's a long time, it's an ongoing thing with she and Annie from longer time. You see me? So let me know what I think about some more.
Germs out,
Tony,
girl, other than a man.
Tony,
I want
life
to
is-
say, girl, who
Life
can
is
say?
short, Tony. Life is short.
Life is fucking nice right now. Me married and settled and I'm not have time for them dirty
Yeah, but
girls.
life
So
is
you
short.
can
We should
mother
all
want
live
to
good.
them
We should all live
blood
good.
clot rain on me. We make fire blood clot burn.
We have to live good, Tony, and because as a queen,
What you mean live good?
people are
What you
saying
mean live
live
good?
Tony.
Live good with cranny body, girl. Me not live with good with no girl on a day in my league. Me I'm gonna live good with top girl. You know what is so me in the bangaranga with them. I'm in a business
say Annie if you do this and beat him. That's why Annie make that video. That's what they said.
Annie can't beat me. Annie can't beat me. And none of Annie Pitty they can't beat me either. None of them.
No, they say when they are married, they post it. They say when they are married, they say, oh, Annie if you do this and beat you.
Listen me now, you see Jabaz, when you talk to me more, you address me by Miss Fox to your car. Right, you know some people lost them sense, your car.
Alright, Miss Fox, Mrs. Fox,
Yeah.
Mrs. Fox. Mrs. Fox, they said that you're the one when you were getting married, you stated that Annie must do this and beat you. You were popping style on her, Mrs. Fox. So that is the reason why Annie go back and make a video. So if, as I say, it is just a little misunderstanding. You said something, she said something, it's quit. So it can done now. It's one of beautiful ladies on the app, and it have to go so far. You're a nice girl, you're married, and he's a nice lady, she's engaged. We all can live good, and we don't have to be doing this, tearing on each other, getting kids involved.
Oh, what you said to me seriously?
Oh, you don't understand?
Yeah, what mama say?
What you say?
Because you can read too much. It kill him blood clot friend. Me break down reading the all celebrities and done with that. You see Annie now? See me and him beautiful spell two different way. Annie a blood clot and me a beautiful. You hear me I tell you?
Get married, you know, and I talk about me. So I come to me drop a video. You understand me? I say I'm just going about my business. This man, you know, me I go hear say Tonian over there cuss me.
She said, you have one video on your page, but I said to her, say, why I need just get up out of the blue and just cuss your son? But the people them tell me say a fake page with Tonian or something, and you see that and think of the Tonian. That's why you end up gonna make
Vanny, come on, no, man.
a fake
Sense of me now. Vanny, make you run the video for you right now. Right? Tonian I get married and I talk about me and talk about, oh, Annie do this and beat me, whatever. I'ma come out, I'ma drop a video, I'ma go about my business. So why Tonian then I get married yesterday and I talk about me? You gonna tell me say the fake page makes you say that? Come on, man, none of people stop act like you're not idiot. And the fake page make her mouth say that?
Oh, she got live and said?
She did, no, she did it, it's like she did on live. And she said what she have to say and them screen record it and put it out. So the fake page make her mouth say all of that. And what she said it. Tonian is supposed to get married and I talk about
Love
me.
you.
Like, no, Joe. You get married. Why are you speaking about me? That's crazy.
Safe flight.
Guys, give me some taps, church.
I forward
It's saw it. It's true, Annie. Alright, right there, so. People may not come tell me to play no video because they don't have eyes on me see the video them out there. I saw it.
Tonian, I don't know, Tonian attack. Tonian say.
If it in a all size, that one day when me show you. Use the first triple chat. Use the first triple, guys.
One PP.
Use a double chat. First gift double
Full
chat.
size, I mean, full size.
Thank you so much for the man, I have to play in a video phone now. I have on an iron seat. A lot of people here say them see the video. Right? So the video is out there. Go and watch it. No nothing. As she said, she get married and she
And she make one video.
Eh?
I never know she make one video. I think after you go on your page, go make video, she make video after that.
No, she's the person who do the video first and I see the video and then tag me in it.
Tonian tell lie then, because Tonian say put him on his page and that's why I say. I think I want post him make say do this and beat me.
No. She get married. And I think she dep on her live and she talk about me, Annie. So them record it and tag me. Right? Yeah. Guys, each person drop a rose chat. When I tag you now,
come put something, remember the surgery.
Guys, each person drop a rose. Each person drop a rose, guys. Alpha live gate reports, Smarty live gate report. Guys, each person drop a rose, guys. Guys, I one time I see the video and them tag me now. Me I see them myself said, Why Tonian I get married and I talk about me? That's weird, you get me?
Right.
I'm gonna come I'm gonna drop a video on my page.
Everybody drop a rose chat. Catch his speed, chat. Catch his speed. Enough of we over here in a chat.
No, if you can watch a video and know who said something first, cause if she said something, she would have said, why you trouble me? So you're gonna know if she said.
What you mean by so what? So what, bitch? My mouth and my talk. She have mouth can talk and my talk also. Thompson, thank you, baby. So what? She want my mouth and she call my name. I'ma call her name. I'ma say, "Wait, the boring." And that must say. Yeah, I said, go on with your walk foot with me. And that must say. Whenever I look on her and tell her, I said, girl, you shouldn't call the woman name, you get married, why you call Annie name? Whenever look at it like that?
Come on, gun.
Let me go look at it. Guys, what me I to understand? Uno I say, I never Tonian said it's a fake page posted. Alright. If Tonian wasn't in a video saying anything, what would a fake page have to post? Say, would I still come back to Tonian then?
Big up on yourself.
It would I still come back?
Hey, my people, me not get this, you know. Oh, you go on diss me, and then you not go on me for respond. Because it's clearly that, you know what I mean, Tony and this Annie. And me don't know if I want she want Annie for respond or she don't want Annie for respond. That's why she go hard. Annie should respond to her. So that's why she a go so hard. Or she do it for Annie respond. And she a go so hard because she been wanting to go this hard. You see me? Boy, people, and that's why I tell you in a life, you know, you have to be careful with the energy, you know. You see me, I say enough of the time, people, like even, say I walk on the road, seeing somebody even walk and come over in a year part and want bounce up in a you to cause some kind of argument. Sometimes you have to just avoid them, just take the next side, same way like how them take for your side and go about your business. Because some of them are walk around with them stress and want to dump it on somebody. And some of them just itching to prove something. You see me I say? So sometimes you have to know what you're doing in life for people. So here we'll watch some more, tell more what you think.
See a Tonian then, cause Uno say it's a fake page posted. Where fake page post? Even if a real page, fake page posted, that means Tonian have to say something in order for a fake page can post it. Cause where fake page will post AI.
Okay.
So even if a fake page posts it, honestly, it's still coming from Tonian. It's just that Tonian never make a video. She already there live. And so what she say, and vlogger take it down and post it. But me go look on it now. Tonian.
Yeah, man, my black, a whole heap of me a black this morning. A whole heap of no continue coming with my black no.
Let me type in Tonian cuss Annie. So.
And you know, I'm not telling a lie on her. I never take it like me never take it serious. I just say what me have to say I'm gone. Just like how she said something, I just say what me have to say I'm gone. Enough for una problem. I swear to God, a lot of you guys una really and truly depend this for una the viewers and love no problem. You understand me? Una love to look problem.
I look feet where.
Mommy, I have to restart and come back.
Yeah, they're gonna some tops, guys.
Mommy, I gotta restart and come back here.
Yeah.
Good morning, Melo. That's why I mute them because someone over here and just now and never tap up the screen.
I look sweet. It's out the anti-chucha. Bro, this nigga gonna tell me.
Hold on.
A new page, sir? Oh, I'm gonna follow up on the page, sir.
Yeah, me do that.
No chatter, one thing, I said the way all Tonian did that's the Annie in a light car, me I said.
Annie, Wagwan.
Hey, Wagwan Jabas, morning.
Morning.
Wagwan, my father.
But there, you know, me depend me, Annie, me not to play no much time, man.
Oh, you're not playing the match. You're good though.
Yeah, me hit the palm in there, man. Me I go and relax. I go and relax a little bit.
Oh. Yeah. Just there, go and talk here, man. Don't look a fool in his shoulders.
How are you? You alright?
Yeah, me good. Me ever say yeah, me good because I never take a thing serious. You get me? Right? So you look a girl when named Tonian get married and she comes to
how you say do him?
Jabaz, Tonian is getting married yesterday. Next Tonian, they on her life started to talk about me. I say, oh, me if you do this and beat her, whatever. So me drop a video and me say, go on with your walk foot wedding. At least me am a 2005 RD. You get what me I say? I me say what me have to say, I'm going about my business. Jabba, she get up this morning started to cuss me. Say, oh, me put video on my page for her. And a she first come off for me, bro.
Why not say she? Why not that she trouble Tony and the woman tells her she say Annie for do that and beat her. Then if she say Annie for do that and beat him, Annie make back her ass video. No video, no words, so shades for shades.
No, that's it. Jabaz, how a woman ever get married? Jabaz, be truthful. How you gonna get married and get up and call people name by your wedding day? You're not supposed to focus by your man and your marriage in the moment where you is right now. How the fuck you get up your day you're married and I talk about Annie?
Me go look for where video. Guys, when I don't know if send me video, I don't know if you find a video.
I see I want fake page. Uno done, Tonian, uno done.
What if
no, man, I mean, all of them want to come up. I mean, all of them want to come up.
Leave Annie alone. Leave blood clot Annie alone. And I may have nothing.
When you going to fix the car?
You know that serious. Just leave her alone. You know that serious. Leave her alone. Look at done now. You're married. Go and enjoy your honeymoon, man. Go and ride your man.
You can't enjoy the honeymoon right now.
No done, man. Go and enjoy, man.
You're not supposed to can't walk this morning, you know.
Yeah, cause she feel going for true, man. You know, call for
Annie, love him, be bigger, man. Make it turn. Tonian done. Pay attention, cook some food, yeah, man. Sit down and man.
Enjoy the honeymoon.
Ease yourself. I'm married, no. When no married, no, I'm no one another, you know. Well, I'm going to suck your man with your man, them pussy and enjoy yourself, man. Ease yourself. I'm married, you know, married, you know. Where they say I pay.
You want to enjoy it, man, for real. Guys, better than some top chats.
I'm done, man. I'm going to live married life, man. Yeah, Tony and call lady, when I call that, I'm just done. Because I don't really want, no fuck with that, you know. Because when it comes to animating skin bad, you know. Don't just cool, man, and lower, man. You just married a while ago, man. Go and go boom hood.
Yeah, man, enjoy your marriage. That's it. Afraid I'm afraid I'm gonna trouble the person, Vani. That's it. Me never
Mr. Tonian say, me not think Annie I go just cut you just so.
So, hey, Russia, should have a thinking mode. I'm going to run at them chat now. Well, I want to sound like a batty man. I want to sound like an idiot, man. Not a play, man. I can't say something in the chat from a black one for real.
No, me done. I don't have nothing.
As I tell you, say, hey, mommy, me just done.
Yeah, man, me done. Me not have nothing else to say. But,
yeah, me done. Make she enjoy our marriage. You understand? Right. Marriage day for you all away, you know.
But then I stop her. She should have get up this morning and enjoy her marriage. She should have get up this morning and can't walk.
Jim Brown, what you know? Just go on where you're going, because you're a big waste man in a boy. Go look at client pussy. I beg me over your beg, I make more money than I want to do on phone will be a child make.
Yeah.
But look at client suffer.
Exactly.
I feel Jabaz genuine. I must love him. When the word that come down from what, then I'm alone turn up and pay the attention to him and try to pull him down. Any pussy I'm pretty much chip there, my head chip. But I show me really want.
Somebody send me the video for my page, let me see.
I really want.
I can't find it. But a long time Tonian because I need some old video. Me have for my ass.
I really want chip out for a young lady there.
Alright, so if you go to Vanessa a long time, she has said certain little things and me never answer down.
Yeah,
That's how we say be bigger person, don't slow it alone.
Gucci girl, and you can't no secret for me go suck your mama. Nobody ever.
The one I remember said you want to use blood clot Meka for use Jayden for rent place near Jabba in a dirty woman. Remember you rub the people them Airbnb blood clot bill. And I know you can't pay it, you can't class me honey. Go pay your bill. Go pay your bill. Your own daughter can't stand you. What's your hand for Nama camera? If you got me Panama camera, Annie can't class me. Tell Annie say, come here.
The people are the same share this when me share a video we don't know I think yesterday, you know, or day before yesterday, you know, where she said she a give social media a break. She a give social media a break, you know, my people. But it look like see at the normal break time them like, you know, when you have you there work and you take a break, it look like I wanted that because yesterday, you know what I mean, she there on social media at and today again. Is what me I say, but me don't want to think my people.
Annie, yesterday night when Jayden sleep at your yard, and you save the room for Jayden and the blood clot girl, Meka have you up feet because she go back go tell back somebody say she have you up. Because she can't believe she really do that. And you know your daughter fuck the boy, you know, and you save up a room for put your daughter and you put stranger around there with the next stranger. And you know your daughter fuck the blood clot boy. She go back go talk, she did have your feet. Dirty mama. You say no Meka forgot that short her pussy because you want rent one place around a wish for a job a slave. You can't class me. You can't class me. You can't class me, dirty woman. Not day, not time. Remember that you said me, Meka, that's all you do. Walk and use your pin them. I have your pin them and sell out them all. You're a little dirty mama. Dirty mama. You send blood clot Meka for your mouth, Jayden, because you feel like say you don't get one big pile of money. Go suck your mama, Annie. Me give her my daughter, but me not use her pussy for sell out. That's all me can cuss girl and say. Me give her, but at least me not use her pussy for sell out. You use your pin them pussy for sell out. You still a pin them to man. So I'm supposed to give her my daughter, me give her away, but at least her pussy not sell out. Me not use her for sell out her whole. I'm supposed to give her to her father because she have a father. So might as well me give her away. She have a daddy. Your pity them not have none. Anna know her father. Zoe don't know daddy. None of them ever see daddy. Only somebody know daddy. A little girl where you not grow. The one that live a country. I forgot her name. None of them don't know them right father. At least sure know her father. Sure know said that is her father. So my right as well me give her sure to her father. Cute. None of your pin them no daddy. None of them. No daddy. Sure have her father. Me can never come here come back say single mother. Me not single. Me's not a single mother because me never grow so. Me grow with mother and father. So me expect people to come grow with mother and father. Me not bitter. Me take care of my pin them honey. So might as well me give them but me still have to take care of blood clot them. Me give them and me still have to mind them. Cute. Me give them and me still have to mind them. Cute. Them ready to go back to school September. Cute. No old broke. Cute. You not clock no tea for me, girl. No tea you not clock pan girl over your so. if I can't laugh us. Cause me no fi laugh. Me realize me no fi blood clot laugh. Me no fi laugh. Me no fi laugh, you know. Me fi ask questions for laugh. Me can't laugh none at all. Me can't smile. Me fi serious up my face and say so. I wanna joke at you over here. Me fi serious. What the fuck? If me laugh, you no bring me down. If me quiet, you no bring me down. Everything me do, no bring me down. Me a robot. To sit down your stand and I get joke and me just sit down and just a look so and serious. Me not supposed to laugh not at all. Did I tell Tonian for cuss ya? Me just sit down over your side. What me for do? You fucking annoying lady. So I'm supposed to laugh. Me never know say laugh no free again. Everything me do is a problem to blood clot uno. Me can't den away, me can't laugh, me can't do nothing. Me have to go change my name. She shall not laugh. All when me not say nothing at all, me get bring down. Me just want dip on the screen. Big pussy Sophia, me not no blood pressure, go suck your mouth.
Alright, my people. So, we are going to watch a bit more. And then we are going to move on to the next. Tell more the thing in the comment section.
Mama, me look like your mother. Me not for laugh none at all. Me not understand this. This is weird. Everywhere I go, me have to go pay for laugh, you know. Everybody else can dip on screen, mix up and go and everybody else laugh and talk. But she supposed to sit down and serious like a judge. Me not for laugh. You can't bully me, lady. None of you can bully me over here. Cause one thing me gonna do is laugh after uno. Laugh. Cause me get blood clot jokes so me gonna laugh after uno fucking idiot. It look like me dey on probation. Me never know say me got prison. And me dey on probation. Me can't smile, me can't laugh, me can't do nothing. If me laugh, the first thing you come do, dirty girl, you give away your picnic, me supposed to give them, me never give away them. My son alright. Me supposed to give away my daughter to her poopa, she have a father, and I'm me alone blood clot birth her. So anyway, she dey make she stay there. She comfortable. Anyway, she dey make she stay. She comfortable. She alright. You see me a fling her on the blood clot internet. Me not have her crutches all about the place. You see me have her face all about? No. Me not bring my pin them pan ya. I not bring food on them pan ya for come get disgrace. Me no single mother. You not normalize single mother too much. Me no single mother blood clot. She grown mother and father. She know mother, she know father. Me no single mama. Me never one day come back and tell me say, me no wanna be able to follow them, not help me. Back to school and me no get nothing. Me no have no problem in that category. Thank you, Jesus. Me bless, Annie. Me bless. You have 6 fucking people without no daddy. Man fuck you no refuse you and duck you. But yes, me class me every day. Me careless, me this and me that. But man fuck me, own me pin them and take care of them. Cute. Me and 2 different things. Me get fuck, picnic, take care of. Man take care of my opinion them. The 2 of them man take care of them. Me not have no problem. Come on, bring nobody gonna family court. You see me run up and down like you now, run up and down the place of a blood clot here, me not have no money. Me a single mother. Back to school, I'm gonna get on from my father. No, boo. No, boo. No.
Clot, be fair, no man. Eh? Innocent, I'm a sense up here. Look at the picture from here. Look at the picture. Big up yourself, man. I like support, cuz. I like support. No, I like.
That's your pick.
Come on that side there, so. Support, you know, chat, you know.
The biggest hypocrite. And he said Zumba head big and he full of sense them, but you know let out the sense then so he don't go big.
Me want something to you, and you take your man.
And he can't take me man, and he use her mouth in a way she not fi use it in her.
And I want that. What I do to you make my side port up, I do to you make it all like
when me shit she want yam, so me a shit enough so she belly can full today.
That's what I said, they say I need looks up.
Say now about more.
Your face been up like mackerel and shake out that thing. Man, know you're passing on my business if you're not cause
mackerel.
Later me share and jagger. Alright. Moat meat, you know. No one me a name moat meat. No one know make him a defend Annie. You can't mind that you're anyway. Me no want know that. But Annie knows say fear business are with me. No post the next time. Why she never post you? I say, me not make it a jungle light, but everybody will make it. Thank you guys for showing respect. Why she first thing she have to come post me? Yeah, she even show no respect to Nisha, but she want come post me as man in light and the live attack about me. Now look at Nana says, that girl the belly full of blood clot demon, you know. I be a demon a fuck Annie, you know. And a TikTok police a fuck him, you know. I be a dopey a fuck Annie. Annie was time, man.
Brother, no pan this up and no, my friend, bro. No, my friend. Oh, my son, bad mind. First thing, listen to this. Me never call the girl name. I see me the pan life from morning. You see me call nobody name. I see me post nobody on my page. Irrelevant, bro. Me no call nobody name. Oh, me fi fucking bad mind. And she call me blood clot name. Me stand by my man in my house. I go stand by her. Nobody can tell me that. So if you feel like you're smarty Tonian, come now box me on my blood clot face. See my face a box it. Box, you know? What is your name? Oh, this blood clot. Come skin me out and suck me out, Tonian. That alone you're good for. The sucking. Yeah, blood clot smarty, bro. Boy, see. Before you go enjoy a little self, can get one ring now and get a little green card. Before you go do that, you depend Meka. Meka, I look for you, brother. After this done, after me lock off my life. Me I look for you. Me I look for you, baby. Me I sleep. Go and go think about your man, no man. You too blood clot by me. Show say have me for a long time, bro. Me not even see you, know. Me not see a blood clot, you know. Bro. Me never did that one come cause bro. So me not call nobody name more than Tonian. Any other person who over there I can't call me name and I talk about say oh me suck Jayden Wood. Me never blood clot cup of my knees and suck no blood clot Jayden Wood. Me never suck Jayden Wood in my life, bro. And I'm
alright my people. Put your opinion in the comment section more. I know what you think about that one, yeah. This is spicy, bad. So we just going to listen to some people and we are going to end it because the video draw too far and also we are going to listen to this and end it.
Oh, you come on TikTok and say don't do it. People are going to say yes, I do it, brother. And that they eat on TikTok. Anything people say they fucking run with. All if I'm not true, bro. Where you put that on my blood clot name or me suck Jayden Wood? Never my blood clot like me suck Jayden Wood, bro. Never. Me never go on my knees. Never go on my knees and suck it while. Never. Oh, you thought was a do it in a car. Blood clot this. Cause like your mother, brother. A blood class, man. A bad mind, Tonian, bad mind. Brother, go enjoy your wedding now. Or whatever you have to do. You don't get married. Mother girl want to get married and can't get married. You get married now, bro. Enjoy your man. You're going to make your man run from you with a little fine blood clot vice. Or 9 blood clot vice. You're going to make your man run from you, bro. You see, Meka pray, Meka look for you, Meka not even see you to blood clot. Me not see you. Me even watch your blood cleating, bro.
And no for my mother has to carry. No for my mother has to carry.